This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. One of Harley Davidson's great touring bikes. This bike is set up for the overnight trip or the cross-country trip. The color of this 22 Ultra Limited is Gauntlet Gray Metallic. Really nice metallic color. And it has chrome on it instead of being blacked out. Now, being the Ultra Limited model, it has the heated grips, the cruise control, the security system, the ABS, has the GTS boom stereo system, has AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth your device into it for your music, or in this compartment right here, you can put your device in there and plug it in, and it'll integrate it into the system and at the same time charge it. Very low miles at 3632. This bike isn't even remotely broke in yet. It has a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission. So you have plenty of horsepower and torque. Great combination for a touring bike. So when you have yourself and your passenger and all your gear and you're on the highway, you have plenty of power. Handles the hills, the hollers, the twisties. Power to pull out and pass. Nice big TourPak, LED lights in the back of it, so there's a lot of visibility for people coming up on you. Nice big chrome luggage rack. It does have the stock chrome exhaust on it. Big 6-gallon fuel tank, so you have plenty of range with this bike. It's a stock windshield, so you have really good wind protection, and with the vent, it really reduces the buffeting on you and your passenger. Now, the only option that's been added to this 2022 Ultra Limited is the chrome front end, which I think really sets it off, as opposed to the stock front end that usually gets chewed up going down the road and loses its color and just doesn't really look very good. But this chrome front end with the chrome axle nuts, great look. Nothing like chrome. You could, a little sun today, you can see the metallic in it. Just a beautiful bike in excellent condition. And like all the bikes that leave Dream Cycles USA to their new home, it comes with a 30-day temp tag and a fresh fluids change, so you're ready for the highway for the next 5,000 miles. if you're in the market for a new touring bike for this season, don't get stuck paying MSRP and the touring bike surcharge and all the dock and title fees and setup fees and freight fees and all that other hooey. Give us a call here at Dream Cycles USA. Our prices are out the door with absolutely no fees. You can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Give us a call for a good, honest, out-the-door price and save yourself a ton of money and get a great bike for this season. This bike is set up and ready to go for your next adventure. Thanks for watching our video.